I'm Shel Roberts, Dean of the Shiley-Marcos School of Engineering, and I'm very excited to be here on Project Selection Day. It's a wonderful, exciting day for our senior students embarking on their capstone experience. I came to USD a little over 7 years ago, and I came in part because it was a very small group of faculty that had this tremendous opportunity to grow into what could be potentially one of the very best programs in the world, and we're rapidly becoming that. We have spent a lot of time benchmarking and looking at other institutions to find out what the best capstone experiences are. And we have a very dedicated, hand-picked group of faculty that will lead you through this experience. In our capstone experience, you have a number of choices. Some of those are a little bit modified by COVID. But first, we have enlisted a number of industry partners. These largely are companies that desire to hire engineering and computing professional students to work in their companies. Often they see a capstone experience as a year-long interview to get to know you and see what you do. Another benefit is that they fund your project at an enhanced level. You will be working, if you choose to do an industry project, on a project that is relevant to that industry. We also have the option of entrepreneurial projects. With entrepreneurial projects, we have external mentors who have been industry leaders and entrepreneurs that will give you an experience founding a company. This doesn't mean that you have to found a company, but there's a different experience than just creating a technical project when you have to look at value added in the business models and the market space for your product. This is an exceptional experience whether you go into regular industry, traditional industry, or decide to move on and start your own company, whether through this or another experience. We have great mentors and funding available for those sorts of projects also. At USD, we're a values-based institution. We care about our community. We care about our country. We care about social justice. We care about environmental justice. And many of you have come to USD because you care about these things also. Because of this, we have community-based projects. These are a little bit harder to get funding for, but we have done that. We have some level of funding so that you can engage in the community or with other groups to make an impact and potentially change the world. Those are also incredibly exciting projects. Some of our faculty will have research opportunities for you in your capstone experience if that is your selection. We also occasionally have competitions such as the Mini Baja. We've done the CubeSat in the past. We're not quite sure this year if there will be these national competitions the same way there has been in the past, but they're also options. So what you get to choose and to look at are many options and an experience you can have for a year. I also believe that doing this in a remote fashion, at least for the first semester, will enhance your capabilities. Many companies are doing this. Many entrepreneurs are doing this. They're working remotely and having to figure out how they come together to continue to make new products, to change the world, to make impact. See this as a great opportunity this semester to establish something phenomenal in whatever option you choose. Think carefully about your life, your career, and please celebrate the faculty who care so much about creating this and a great experience for you. Have a wonderful project selection day.